Pinterest closets look amazing, but let's be honest, they don't work for real life. I used to organize my closet to look perfect, and within a week, it was right back to a mess. So today, I'm going to show you how to make your closet not just look good, but actually function every single day.
Hey y'all, I'm Kelley, and this is where cozy meets real life. Welcome to Kelley's Cozy Living.
Since I was wanting to do this video about how I organize my closet, because our main closet, it stays pretty organized. It may not be the prettiest or Pinterest worthy. I do feel like what I have done to it, it stays very organized and clean. I don't have a problem with it becoming chaotic. Now, Bill's closet in the hallway, that's his closet, and he doesn't want the type of hangers that I like, and to me it makes it really look chaotic. He likes to be able to just jerk his shirt off of a hanger and not have to take the hanger out and take the hanger off, which I think is wrong. But I figured since I wanted to make this video, this closet here, it has all the old hangers in it because I just didn't buy any new ones to redo it. The top is my workout clothes and stuff, and then the bottom is like more of my dressy clothes. And I thought, well, I might as well buy some hangers and kind of show y'all how big of a difference it makes by using the felt hangers versus other hangers. I'm gonna pull this off so that y'all can see me. I am gonna redo this room, and I'm having a bigger dresser, not a dresser. I'm having a chest of drawers brought in here, and it'll probably be in a month or so. So I may be able to get rid of this once I get that, because it's gonna have a lot more drawers than what I have now. All right, let me pull all this out and reorganize this closet and just show you the biggest difference that it makes. And also, I'm gonna give you my tips on what I do to have a perfect organized closet. First thing, matching hangers. I always use felt hangers, and I know it sounds simple, but this alone can completely change how your closet feels. They're thinner, so you get more space, but the biggest thing is visual. When every hanger is the same, your brain reads it as clean instead of cluttered. If you have shelves with folded clothes, try this. Instead of seeing all the stacked layers, turn your clothes so the smooth folded side faces out. It makes everything look calmer, more uniform, and less overwhelming. Not everything needs to be seen, because let's be honest, some categories of clothes are just messy no matter what you do. That's where drawers come in, socks, pajamas, workout clothes. I keep all of that tucked away so my closet doesn't feel chaotic. I organize by type first, then color. So jackets together, tops together, dresses together, and then I color coordinate within that. It looks nice, yes, but it also saves time when you're getting ready because you know exactly where to look. This one keeps everything under control. I follow a one in, one out rule. And honestly, I don't really have a choice. I only have so many hangers, and I am not allowed to buy more. So if something new comes in, something has to go. And I actually love this because it keeps my closet from getting overstuffed and forces me to be intentional with what I keep. Your most worn items should always be at eye level. If something is hard to reach or out of sight, you're probably not going to wear it. So make your everyday clothes the easiest to grab. I use baskets everywhere, not to be perfect, just to contain things. Scarves, belts, random extras, just giving them a place makes everything look instantly cleaner. When you take something off, deal with it right then. Hang it up or put it in the laundry. Don't create that chair pile, because once it starts, it takes over your whole room. At the end of the day, your closet doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to work for you. If it's not easy to maintain, it's not going to stay organized. Start with a few of these tips, and I promise it'll make a huge difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.